So this is what the soundbar looks like right out of the box, and as you can see, it has a very nice sleek look to it. The speaker grill is black with silver on the sides, and it's very lightweight, and it has these 2 feet on the bottom that have some sort of scratch resistant pad on them, so it doesn't affect your desk or wherever you choose to sit it on. The soundbar has one big button, and that's right here on the side, and this little thing right here is an LED light to let you know when it's pairing, ready to pair, or when it's on. And this button is the volume control as well as the power on off. Right here on top is the NFC chip, so if you have a tablet or phone that has that, you can connect it this way instead of having to use the Bluetooth connection. Or if neither of your devices have that, it also comes with the 3.5 millimeter cable, so you can connect, whatever it is you want to use with that. Right here is where you plug in the micro USB charging port or charging cable, and it does take a full 4 hours, depending on if the speaker is completely dead, to get this thing fully charged. But according to the website, it should, once it's fully charged, should last you up to 24 hours of playtime. So for the first test, I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my Windows laptop, and we'll see how the sound works.
Ready, waiting for pairing.
Okay. Okay, once it's on and ready to pair, it'll come up as this BQ008.
Connect. Welcome to use.
Okay, so now it's connected and it's ready to use. Let me open up the Pandora app and we'll play a couple songs and we'll see how the bar sounds. It seems to work really well with the Pandora app and my laptop. It sounds really nice. It's got a nice loud sound to it. It does have some bass to it, but it's not a super loud thumping sort of bass, not window shattering by any means, but it does have a nice sound to it. I'm also going to try this next with the Netflix app, just because a lot of people like myself, we watch a lot of movies or YouTube videos on the computer, and sometimes it's nice to have a separate speaker so that you don't always have to wear headphones, or in my case, because my laptop, the speakers on that, they're not that great. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the Pandora and we'll see how it works with the Netflix.
Do you cook? Liv is a great cook. I got her cooking lessons a few years ago and she ended up teaching the teacher a few things.
Okay, so I have a American Horror Story playing here on Netflix, and let's go ahead and put the soundbar a little bit louder. I'm also going to go ahead and move the soundbar a little bit away from my computer so we can see if we can still hear the show that's playing. Okay, so here is where I have the soundbar now, and
I do have a
I have
very
my
nice
computer
mid-century ranch,
right here.
but it's in the valley, and you're going to get a third of the house for twice.
So it still has a pretty nice sound for being at somewhat of a distance. So next thing I'm gonna try is the NFC on here. I have this old HTC phone here that works with the NFC, so I'm gonna see if I can get the speaker connected to it.
This place doesn't freak you out any.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that the NFC is on the phone. Oops. Go ahead and turn it on. Okay.
Bluetooth is ready, waiting for pairing. Connect. Welcome to use.
And it will ask if I want to pair the Bluetooth device. I'm gonna go ahead and hit yes. And so it seems to work well if you pair by Bluetooth and if you pair it with NFC. I had no trouble pairing it with either one, although you do have to have only one device connect or can be paired to it at a time. So in this case, I had to make sure my Bluetooth was turned off on my laptop in order to get it working on this HTC phone here. But so far, I've been very impressed with this speaker. It plays fairly loud. It's got the nice, neat look to it that I like, and it can fit anywhere under the TV. It can stay next to your computer or underneath your main, desk computer, or even on your nightstand, on your bed. It can practically go anywhere you want it to. You can take it outside with you. It's really not limited to much of anything. So this is a very nice little speaker. It's loud, and it works very well. So far, I've been really impressed with this.